everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very simple and easy vegetarian recipe, French bean. Very delicious. I'm going to show you how to make it very delicious French beans, and let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. These are French beans. The tip is when you cut it, cut into as small as possible. When we're going to eat it, then it's going to be more crispy and more crunchy, and it will taste better. French bean, you've seen it, and I shared the tip with you. If you cut into smaller pieces, it will taste better. So cut it this way, and it's washed. You can wash it prior to cutting it, or you can wash it afterward. 1 red onion, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger, and 1 teaspoon garlic. Half teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon each salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and olive oil for tadka. And let's start making our delicious vegetarian dish, French beans. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add 2 teaspoon olive oil. Add cumin seed, jeera. Cook it for 20 seconds. Add ginger and garlic. Mix it. Cook ginger and garlic until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. And now add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now add green chili. Mix it. Cook green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking green chili with tadka for 1 minute. Add all spices. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for half minute. Now add French beans and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Exactly 5 minutes on medium gas with the cover lid. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. French beans don't take that long to cook. After mixing it, put the cover back on. Bring your gas on a simmer and cook it for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes on a simmer. Open the lid. Mix it. The French bean dish is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and now I'm going to dish out. I have my serving dish ready and we're going to dish out. Look at this. Very delicious vegetarian dish, French bean. So simple to make. Let me share with you. It's so simple and easy to make. It doesn't take that long. The tip I share with you, cut into smaller pieces, then you're going to enjoy it. So please try it, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.